Guys, we are back. Wow. I just have to explain something really quick before we get on with the N.E.W show. You might be wondering why we're taking N.E.W on the inside. Well, that's because we're in Canada, and in Canada, what do we get? Snow. We get cold weather. So we had to bring it in, and we're bringing nature environmental wrestling to the inside. Guys, I want to let you know that this is Nature in Your House pay-per-view. Woo! N.E.W! 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 And we're going to go right into the first match, guys. This is a tournament for the new Environmental Championship. This is the first match in the tournament. First match, we have another match, and those two will move on at the next show for the Environmental Championship. Making his way to the ring, he is an HCW legend. He is also the HCW Unified Tag Team Champion, Thomas the Eagle Miller.
And Thomas the Eagle Miller is rocking his Metro hat.
What's he doing? Working a Metro?
Metro.
That's what I was waiting for.
Metro!
Shut up!
Metro!
That's what I was waiting for.
Oh, Thomas is talking
Pushing all those cartoons.
trash early here on.
You know what?
What do you mean this is ridiculous?
This guy is, I don't know.
And his opponent, making his debut to N.E.W. Triple B!
Mama power!
I didn't play any cold ones this time, guys. I'm very sorry about that. You talking to the Mama Club? You do not talk back. Shut up.
Oh, Thomas Eagle Miller talking crap about his mama. Everybody about the Mama Club with Cutting Eye Joe song on with Triple B.
Oh, man. I believe in the mama. I believe
Mama
in the mama.
power.
Look at yellow power.
Momo.
All right, guys, just so you know,
Your mama.
just so you know,
Smash.
the cameraman is also the referee tonight. So you gotta do as I say. I will be counting, and I will be cutting it down the line.
That sounds good. I'm gonna win.
All right? And the match has begun. Got a heavy lock up here, nice and early. Oh, Thomas Eagle Miller taking him down with that headlock. Look at this. See, one thing Triple B's got to realize is that Thomas Eagle Miller has been doing this for many years. All right, he's under the rope. He's under the rope. 1, 2. I don't know, guys. Triple B doesn't sound like he might have been cut out for this. Ooh, you can hear that shot. Oh, big hits to that face of Triple B. Oh, take it to the corner, head first. Oh, elbow drop. Eagle Miller taking him to school early here. I don't know. Triple B might, I don't know. He's kind of, he might have to go back to Ohio Valley Wrestling to get more training in, get more experience in. Guys, send him back.
He doesn't need to go to Ohio Valley Wrestling. He's got his mama.
He's got to go back. He's got to learn a little bit more. I don't know if his mama was she a professional wrestler? Oh, what's Eagle Miller? Eagle Miller thinking the classic, his classic signature, guys. Here he comes. Oh my God! Oh! He just jumped right through that. Oh, he hurt himself though in the process. Oh, the Eagle Miller might be out too. We might have a double out here. Eagle Miller, are you okay? Are you able to compete still? Eagle Miller.
I'm fine.
Should we call paramedics? Are you done?
No.
All right. Oh man, Triple B went flying as well. Oh, literally speared him out to outside of the ring, but I guess it wasn't good enough for Triple B and talking shit. Oh, stunner! I don't know if it was enough though. A hit, maybe another stunner. Oh my God, it's might be over. Stunner. 1, 2, 3. And your winner of the first match in the tournament and is on his way to the environmental championship, damn it. Thomas the Eagle Miller. Oh, he's actually trying to help him up here. Might be trying to show some respect. Look at this.
Yeah, Mama, the eagle. The eagle. Come on, the eagle.
Woo, the Eagle Miller.
We gotta drink some cold one sometime.
I think the fans are
Did I win? Yeah.
Triple
Get
B.
that environmental champion next time.
Triple B say he's gonna come after that environmental champion, guys, but that was nice and quick, but we're gonna be right back after a short little break.